Hi guys, mail time. Wow, another 2 weeks in a row that I've gotten some mail. This one here, oh, what's going on here? Oh, green sticker. Sorry, this one's all the way from Ireland. I already know what this one is. And this one here is from New Zealand, from my buddy Badgertronix, if I'm correct. Yes, my eyes are focusing. So let's do this one first, just because I don't know what this one is, and like I said, I know what the other one is. So let's see. Sorry, you're gonna have to sit through the unpackaging. Unboxing videos are supposedly popular in the YouTube community, and who knows, maybe I'll cut myself. Well packed, or well packaged. You guys know Jonathan or Badgertronix. If not, the link is in the description, or will be. I have a feeling it's some kind of tool. I sent him a Euro plate. Oh wow, there's more than... There's some nice cards in here as well, and some writing on there, and it's empty. Yep. So let's see. Tool Pro 16-ounce claw hammer. When in doubt, use a big hammer. I think that's the whole idea about it. Maybe. Maybe the note will tell me. I'm just going to open it up just to make sure that that's what's in. Oh, wow! Bubble wrap. Wow, look at this. It's a bit of green screen action, sorry. There's a hammer, and it looks like creamy milk mini. I can't read. Whittaker's. So this is definitely chocolate. Bottoms up New Zealand bottle opener. Sorry, my green screen. What else is here? Sorry, I'm just trying to be careful taking this stuff out. Some Badgertronix stickers. New Zealand, and what is that? I need my glasses, sorry. Kiwi, next 15 kilometers. Stupid green screen. Now, I might just take pictures of all these items and then I'll post a link to the pictures. So let's get rid of some of this chocolate here. Today is movie night, so that's gonna be coming in handy. What have we got here? These really look like fridge magnets in New Zealand. Green screen again, sorry. Christchurch, New Zealand. That's a VW bus. Again, I'll take pictures so you guys can view them. What's this? Temporary tattoos. All blacks. All blacks. All blacks. If I'm reading that right, it's backwards. All blacks, yeah. Alright. Post in the comments where you want me to place these. Within reason. And I shall do as I am commanded. Here is the hammer. Sorry, there's some more stickers here. Awesome mail call. Stop hammer time. Oh, now I get it! Because of my hammer time animation. Oh, this is so cool. I might not even use it. I might just hang it up at work. This is so cool. Thank you very much, Jonathan. Totally appreciate it. What a nice surprise. Let's just put this all back in the box. Oh, and I better read the cards. This is going to be a long mail call, sorry. And just Okay, so this is Patrick John Core. We joyfully announce the birth of this is the an announcement to his second son, Patrick John Core. Wow. And the note on here, thank you for sending the onesie for Patrick. He wore them, was there more than one? I think there was more than one. He wore them lots until he grew out of them. I sent him a baby onesie with my YouTube logo, my head. So it was nice of him to put the baby in it. Oh, and Patrick dribble. Oh, Patrick drooled on the card. The white stains here. Oops. That's some dribble, some drool. And then this beautiful scenery, similar to British Columbia, right on the ocean, obviously, because New Zealand is an island. Actually, technically not. Didn't they recently say that it's a continent because of the underground vastness of the terrain? Under ocean, I should say. And the note on here, Thomas, about time I got around to sending you some stuff. Keep making awesome vids. We should do another collaboration vid with your internet dad. He's referring to Steve Robb. My father-in-law, his daughter Nicole. I have yet to meet her, but it's arranged. I just got to put a ring on it. On the finger. So that was Jonathan's. Thank you very much, buddy. And this is from Ireland. This is from, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, Niamh. And she made this. There's a link in the description to the YouTube video of how she made what is in here. If I can get it open. Packaged really well. Oh wow. Every time I get something from her, it smells so awesome. Next to the only other packages I received that smell this good are from Steve Robb. I think because it's Nicole is the one who mails them. So anyways, this is from Niamh, and again, she made this. What? Oh, there's a note on here. Niamh, Nessa, I hope I pronounced the name right, and Alexi. Alexi is her son, and it says, ta-da! Here you go. What is going on here? My green screen is not liking what is in here. Well, you guys should see this. This is spectacular. It's just awesome. I can't believe that she made this. So anyways, you'll have to go to the link box, check to the description box, click on the link to the video of how she made this. Why is this not showing up on my computer? Anyways, awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you very much. Yep, that definitely smells nice. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.